1 Hour English School.
Learn English as a skill.
The hyphen. A hyphen separates compound words. In etymological evolution, two words may be set. For instance, weekend end to weekend, and then finally to weekend. A hyphen is shorter than a dash. Rules for hyphen. 1. If the pair of words forms an adjective that comes before the noun, use a hyphen. Example: well-known bird, first-class work. 2. If the adjective pair comes after the noun, you don't need to use a hyphen. His crimes are well known. His 3. Use a hyphen for fractions acting as adjectives. He drank 1 2/3 cans of Coca-Cola. For not fractions acting as nouns, use a hyphen to differentiate certain words. He recollected his memories of 1971. He recollected the money. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe 1 Hour English School. Like, comment, and share.